The next is the average of a set comprising the first 2n natural numbers is x. Okay, if all the odd numbers in the list are doubled and all the even numbers are halved, the average of the 2n numbers becomes y. If the difference between x and y is 10, find the sum of the squares of the first 10 natural numbers. Okay, so basically what they're saying is average of a set comprising of the first 2n natural numbers. So sum of the first 2n natural numbers is 2n into 2n plus 1 by 2. n into n plus 1 by 2, but n is 2n here. So this is n into 2n plus 1. This is the total. Average will be total by number of terms. So n into 2n plus 1 divided by 2n. So n gets cancelled. This value is x. So what does it mean? It means 2n plus 1 by 2 is equal to x. Okay. Now if all the odd numbers in the list are doubled. So what are the odd numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 2n. Remember, there are totally 2n number of terms. So ending with an even number. Now my odd numbers will be 1, 3, 5, 7 up to 2n minus 1. My even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8 up to 2n. So if all the odd numbers in the list are doubled, so these are doubled and these are halved. So the average of the 2n numbers becomes y. So now let's take a look at the sum of these. So basically what is happening? I want the sum of, so how many terms are there? How many terms are there over here? 1, 3, 5, 7. So basically this is n minus 1 terms, right? N minus 1 terms. Because you will have, n terms. My bad, this is n terms, right? So this is n terms. And how many over here? This is also n terms. Okay, totally there are 2n number of terms. Okay, so n terms here and n terms here. So now sum of the first n odd numbers is given by sum of the first n odd numbers. I can use an AP formula, or if you know the formula for sum of the first n odd numbers, you can use it directly. Nothing wrong. So I will use the AP number of terms by 2, n by 2 into 2a. So 2 into 1 plus number of terms n minus 1 into d. d is 2. Right, so 2 gets cancelled. So this is n into n, which is n square. Now this is doubled. If this is doubled, then this will become 2n square. So the sum of the first n odd numbers doubled is 2n square. Similarly, if you want to find for even numbers, you can again use the same AP formula. N by 2 terms into 2 into first term is 2 plus n minus 1 into 2. So again 2 gets cancelled. So this becomes n into 2 plus n minus 1, which is n into n plus 1. n into n plus 1. This is the sum of the numbers, the sum of the first n even numbers, right? But this is becoming half. So this is becoming half. So this value becomes n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay. Now what is the new average? The new average is this sum plus this sum divided by total number of terms. So 2n square plus n into n plus 1 by 2 divided by total number of terms will remain the same, 2n, and this is given to you as y. That's okay. N gets cancelled, or rather 1n I will cancel, not complete. So the square will go away. The square will go away. So what will I get? I will get, if I if I write this as 2n by 2 plus n plus 1 by 4 is equal to y. So this gets cancelled. I will get from here n plus 1 by 4 equal to y, right? The difference between x and y is 10. So they are basically saying that x minus y is 10. So what is x? We already have this as x. So this is what? N plus 1 by 2 is equal to x. And this is n plus n by 4 plus 1 by 4 is equal to y. So let's find the difference. This and this, the difference is 10. So n plus 1 by 4 minus n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 10. So this n gets cancelled. So you'll get n by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 equal to 10. Now you might be wondering, why did I write it as x minus y here and here I wrote it as y minus x? Simply because they said difference between x minus y. They did not exactly say whether it is x minus y or y minus x. So you will have to take the difference based on which you observe to be the larger number. So based on observation, you will see that y is larger than x. So while I wrote it as x minus y here, I simply changed it because I observed that y is larger than your x. So you will get n minus 4 is equal to 10 plus 1 by 4, which is 41 by 4, or n is 41. If n is 41, find the number of squares, find the sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers. So first 41 natural numbers is what you need to find the squares of. So if you go by that, you will have, the formula is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6, where n is 41. So 41 into 42 into 41 2s are 82, 82 plus 1, 83 by 6. So 2 goes 21 times, 2 goes 3 times, 3 goes 7 times. So this is 7, 7 goes 28 into 83. So this is turning out to be slightly larger number, that's okay. But this is going to be 287, sorry, into 83, 7 3s are 21, 8 3s are 24, 25, 26, 6, 7, 8, 56, 5, 8 is the 64, 69, 6, 8 to the 16 plus 6, 22. So 6, this is 1, 12, 1, 9, 8, 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 8, 2, 1. So 2, 3, 8, 2, 1 is your answer. Okay, slightly lengthy, but probably not the question to be done in the first round. If you are quick in your maths, you'll realize that this is not this is going to take time. This is not supposed to be done in the first set of questions. All right.